My name's Claire Eyers. I am a scientist at the University of Manchester. I am the acting director of the Michael Barber Centre for Mass Spectrometry, and I have an interest in analytical chemistry as applied to biological molecules, so peptides and glycopeptides and sugars in general. For me, the best thing about being a scientist is the fact that you can be creative and you can take the science in the direction that most interests you. So it's not just about the scientific methodology, but it's also about where you can go with the science and designing the experiments so you can explore anything you want to as long as you find it interesting. So if I was going to change my scientific area, I'd probably become a neuroscientist. I'm very interested in the way that the brain works and how memories are formed, and then how some long hidden memories can feed into our dreams in our subconsciousness. So I think if I wasn't doing what I'm doing now, which is analytical chemistry, then I'd probably be a neurobiologist. So in my free time, I like to listen to music, and I also play instruments. So I sing. I used to sing professionally for a little bit, and I play the violin and the flute. I also have 3 young children. They're 7, 5 and 3, so they take up an awful lot of my time outside of work. Hopefully as they get a little bit older, I'll be able to concentrate more on doing music outside of work. My first memory of science was I was about 8, and I was doing a project at junior school which involved talking about medicinal herbs. And I remember very clearly doing a document, a presentation, where I had to press all these herbs and I had to put them into a book and write about how you could use these different herbs in medicine. And that's what really got me interested in science, in biological science. And I still now have a herb garden, and I like to grow herbs. I don't use them for medicinal properties, but I still am very much interested in herbs. My advice to school children or anybody interested in science is, if that's really what you want to do, then you have to work to pursue your dream. So science is hard, science is competitive, but science is also extremely exciting and very, very rewarding. And if it's something that you really want to do and you really find interesting, then you have to work to achieve your goals. And it's worth doing.